Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. You're probably doing some research on how to get free traffic resources for affiliate marketing. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 15 free traffic resources that you can get started on right away. But before I do, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link below this video in the description and you can check it out, no pressure. And you could use my number one recommendation in conjunction with any of these free traffic resources that I'm about to give you. Let's go. Okay, there is a ton of free traffic for the taking, right? But you want to really narrow it down to just 2 or 3 traffic resources. It's important because you don't have to spend any money on these traffic resources, but they do take some time and attention to cultivate into good traffic sources for your affiliate website or whatever it may be. And so it's going to take time and effort. So you can't concentrate on all 15 at once. And remember, free doesn't mean easy. It's going to take choosing the best platform, the best traffic platform for your niche and for, the website that you are aiming to send traffic to. You want to learn what makes that platform tick, and then you want to produce valuable content that's going to attract a loyal audience on that platform. So let's run through these 15 traffic sources. Again, take some notes, narrow it down to 2 or 3 that you can focus on. And again, don't try to take advantage of all of them. You're going to spread yourself so thin that you're not going to succeed at any of them if you do it that way. Now, some of these are going to scale super well, like YouTube and Instagram and building an email list. You don't have to put a ton more effort into scaling them up to a really big level. Others are not going to scale as well, but that's okay because they're easier to access, easier to get into, like Facebook groups or posting on forums and such. You can do that right away and get some traffic, but it's really hard to scale that because it takes a lot of time. All right, so here we go. Number one is to start a blog. So here's the thing, even though it costs a little bit of money to start a blog, it is completely worth it because you'll be able to get a ton of traffic moving to your blog much easier than you would be able to do if you did affiliate marketing without a website. Number 2 is SEO, search engine optimization. So assuming that you have this affiliate marketing blog up and going, you could do some really good SEO and optimize it, and so that you get a ton of free organic search traffic from Google. Now, SEO is one of the greatest free traffic sources for affiliate marketers, on this planet. So really focus on SEO to drive traffic to your website. Number 3, build an email list. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this one because you already know that the money is in the list, right? And email marketing is an amazing free traffic source for affiliate marketing offers. And having a steady and growing email list that you could just kind of click and send an email and send instant traffic to your website is an amazing tool to have. Okay, number 4 is blog commenting. Blog commenting is a great free traffic source for affiliate marketing blogs. And all you have to do is just comment on other blogs in your niche, and that's going to drive traffic back to your website. Now, don't use bots or software or any other scammy stuff to post comments all over the blogosphere, right? You want to write real comments that actually provide some value and bring value to the original article. And then, you could link back to your website in the comment, but you want to provide some real value to people. Okay, number 5 is Quora. Now, do you know a lot about your niche? Well, that's good. Now, you're probably an expert compared to somebody who doesn't know anything about your niche. So you can go on Quora and you could set up a profile and start replying to questions like crazy, all over the place. You could sprinkle your affiliate URL here and there. Don't put it everywhere, but you could add it to your bio and reply to dozens of questions every week, and you'll start receiving tons of free traffic for your affiliate marketing website in no time as you continue to just kind of snowball those answered questions out there on Quora. All right, number 6 is Reddit. Now, there are some really smart affiliate marketers out there who are using Reddit to promote their affiliate websites for free and to drive a ton of traffic to their affiliate websites through Reddit. So just find the subreddit for the niche that you're in, right? And then start posting things at first, and then sometimes you can add a link or two and link to your own website. But sort of like Quora, you want to just start posting, a lot of questions, a lot of answers, a lot of content out there, Reddit, and then that's going to link back to your website as you put those affiliate links to your website in 1 or 2 of the posts once in a while. All right, number 7 is guest posts. So you could start writing guest posts on other people's affiliate marketing blogs or whatever the niche that you have. So a guest post is exactly what it sounds. You go and find another blog in your niche and you ask the owners if they would accept a guest post from other people. And if they accept, then you write a post, and usually you could add 1 to 3 links that are pointing back to your website in that post. And not only will you get free direct traffic, from people clicking on the links inside that post, but you're also going to get some really good backlinks that's going to boost your SEO and have your content ranking much higher in the Google search results. So here's what you can do. Go to Google and do this search. Whatever your niche is, let's say it's affiliate marketing plus write for us. And that's going to get you to where you need to go to find places to write guest blog posts for. Number 8 is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a huge social network that, you can get tons of free traffic for affiliate marketing websites and products. Now, the thing is, they've got over 1.1 billion unique visits every single month, and it's ranked number 27 worldwide in terms of website traffic. So it's huge, and you don't want to ignore this one. Many websites are using Pinterest to get traffic, and there are a ton of them that are doing affiliate marketing right there on Pinterest. Pinterest is more of a visually oriented type of traffic source. So you want to get good at Canva or something where you can build some good little graphics for each of your posts, and you could really succeed there. Number 9 is YouTube. This one's pretty obvious, but there are a ton of digital marketing tools right now that help you to make videos so much easier, and you could create YouTube videos for pretty much anything out there, any niche, and you can use affiliate marketing links, the affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos, and you could put cards over your videos, or you could put little links, in the video itself to your affiliate products or to your capture page or anything like that. So YouTube is the number 2 search engine on all of the internet. So it's totally huge, and video is very powerful for connecting to audiences, and they get to know, like, and trust you through video, and then you can make product recommendations to them. All right, number 10 are forums and groups. Now, similar to blog commenting, you can get started on this one right away. You should join forums that are in the same niche as your affiliate marketing website or blog. And you could also join Facebook groups, and they work in a similar way to traditional forums, although they're kind of a little bit more limited on functionality. But you can go into these forums and groups and post valuable content or links to some videos you've made or whatnot, and then occasionally include your own link to your own capture page or your own affiliate product. All right, number 11 is a website called Medium. Now, Medium's an online platform where people can sign up and publish content. Okay, it works similar to a blog, but it's much more limited in its functionality because you're posting on this particular website, Medium. But you could get started pretty easily, and creating an account is free. And the goal is to write creative and quality articles where you can also insert some links back to your own website. That's the key there. And if you could figure it out, you could actually post links directly to your affiliate offer. But Medium is a very trusted website that a lot of people go to research articles and such. So if you can kind of start snowballing your content on there, you get a lot of traffic from Medium. All right, number 12 is Facebook. Again, everybody knows Facebook, but you can drive a lot of traffic quickly from Facebook. You can create a Facebook group or a Facebook page in the niche that you're looking to promote for, and you can post your stuff there. You don't want to overdo it because Facebook is always looking for spammers and scammers, and they'll ban you really quickly. But one idea is you can create your own group or your own page, but probably a group on Facebook, and you can start inviting people to it and get tons and tons of people in there. And if you control the group, you could pin posts to the top about your articles or your videos or your website. And so it's a way to kind of control the content and get a lot of people in there that are seeing your links. Number 13 is Twitter. So similar to Facebook, you could also build a Twitter page, and you can create a huge following, and you can market your affiliate services and products to this following. If you're in the right niche with a good audience and a good amount of followers, you can really make some money with traffic from Twitter by promoting your website and your links. So it's another great traffic resource. Number 14 is Instagram. Of course, Instagram is huge nowadays, and it's a goldmine of traffic for affiliate marketing products and affiliate marketers. But in general, you actually have to aim to have about 20,000 or so followers before you can expect to get some decent traffic to your affiliate marketing website. But like any of these traffic resources, if you really devote some time to it, just put your head down and work for 3 or 6 months, you can really achieve that number of followers and drive the traffic that you're looking to drive if you just put the work into it. All right, number 15 is TikTok. Of course, TikTok is the new kid on the block, but it's absolutely huge. And there are hundreds of millions of people watching videos on TikTok every day. Now, TikTok is mainly entertainment-based storytelling. But there is a ton of traffic. These are short videos that people are just scrolling through constantly. So it's really easy to get in front of a ton of eyeballs really quickly on TikTok. But here's the thing, if you're going to do TikTok, you got to commit to posting about 3 or 4 videos every single day. Now, these are short videos, so it's not that hard, but it takes some creativity and it takes some consistency to really build up the following that you need on TikTok to really convert that into a good traffic source. All right, so there you go. You have 15 free traffic resources for your affiliate marketing website. Your job now is to narrow it down to about 2 or 3 that you can start putting some time and effort into to work on them as a traffic source. Now, it's going to work, but it's not instant, okay? This takes a little bit of time. So devote a few months, maybe 6 months to consistently working these traffic sources, and then you'll start to see the traffic start to snowball from these as the months go by. If you want to fast track your success in affiliate marketing, I want you to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. I'm going to put a link below this video in the description, and it's going to take you to the training and mentorship that can really jumpstart your success as an affiliate marketer. All right, check it out. No pressure. It's totally up to you. But I hope you really succeed and find some good traffic sources from one of the 15 I mentioned today. Take care.